afternoon, all. Today is Tuesday, February the 17th, and we've got another mailbag day. How lucky am I? Well, the first thing on mailbag is 50 bipolar diffused LEDs, and they came with resistors, and this is a circuit showing the LED, the bipolar LED flashing red and green. How cool is that? Hopefully you can see that. Here, I'll put a little shadow over it. It's really hard for me to even see. But yes, it's flashing red and green, and that should make for a nice railroad signal. So we'll put that out of the way. And what those are Lumex LEDs, 5mm, red and green, diffuser, bicolor PC mount. Okay, the next is a large mailbag. That's everything. And what we have is a couple of these little gems. Let's see if we can get closer. And these are LM393 optical photosensitive light sensor modules for an Arduino Shield, and they are 3 to 5 volts. And those are going to help me with sensing model trains on a railroad track. So we'll see how those work out in the very near future. Next, we have some 4-pin, let's see, what do they call it for sure? Okay, here it is. 2x2 pin, 4-pin, 2.54mm double row female straight header pitch socket pin strips. Okay, so when we're doing all those experimental shields, we do need places to plug in our wires occasionally, and this will do the trick. Okay, next we have a bag of optocouplers, I think those are. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. 20 pieces or 10 pieces? Hey, it's hard to tell. There's more than 10 in there, so it must be 20. Yes, 20. PC 817, EL 817C, or LTV 817, DIP 4-pin optocouplers, sharp, and you need those for some of your circuits as well. Oh, sorry, didn't put them in front of you there. Okay, next we have some ICs, and we'll get closer on those. And let's see if we can see those. We'll flash a light across them. There we go. LM393P. LM393Ps are a DIP 8-pin DIP low power voltage comparator. Then over here on the left we have some LM324Ns. 324Ns is a low power quad op amp IC. So there. And also in this package we have, I'll get one of these out. Hey, where are you? There we go. Okay, they are simple push button switches. With a long stem. How about that? Okay, focus. Well, it's not going to. Okay, so it's just a regular switch with a long stem. There's 100 of them. Tactile push button switch, 6 by 6 by 13 millimeter 4-pin dip. You always need switches. And speaking of switches, as soon as I get this bag open, we have a bag, and let me get this back. A bag of these, which are latching switches. Not bad. And these switches, and there's 10 of them. Oh. There's actually 20. And those are 8 by 8 millimeter cap, self-locking type square blue button switch. And here we have 500 3mm green colored LEDs, super bright. We'll check those out. And that's everything that was in that package. Okay, next item. And you have to remember, all this stuff is from our favorite country. I think we should be able to make these things in the United States. Really. We have the ability and the knowledge to make all these things in the United States. It would create thousands and thousands of jobs. There, you have my rant. Okay, what we have is bags and bags of different transistors. In fact, in this there are 340 common transistors that you would use in everyday projects. And this way I don't have to keep going to the store every time I want to buy some, find a transistor. I should have what I need right here as far as the common ones go. We shall see. Okay. Next on our hit list. Oh, do we have a lot of stuff here? Yes, we did get a lot of stuff. Okay. And those are temperature sensors. Those are TMP 36GT9 low voltage temperature sensors. And what I plan on doing with those is using them with my wood burning furnace to tell me how hot the flue pipe is getting. I think I should be able to do that with those, and if not, we'll find something that will work. Next, and not least, is simply a bag of 3 connector, what do they call them exactly? 3 position 5mm PCB screw terminal block connectors, 300 volt 16 amp. I don't know about that 16 amp part, but we'll keep it to low current, low voltage. And this is wrapped pretty nice. This is a container with, let's see, 300 3mm and 5mm LEDs, white, yellow, green, red, and blue. So now I won't have to hunt for different LEDs because I'll have them right here. That works. $750 general purpose 200 volt 1.5 amp DO-204AL or 1N5393 diodes. And yes, I didn't need 750 of them, but at the price that they were selling them at, I figured I'll split them and sell some on eBay. How about that? So, that's what we have for today, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or comments, you can please leave them down below. And I've enjoyed sharing this with you. So, have a great day. Bye.